Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to fix up some busted down, broken 93 Ford Ranger seats. They got a broken frame, broken foam. I'm going to weld them up, switch them, and then switch the foam from the drivers to the passenger to the drivers, put them back in the truck. The truck's got like 360,000 miles. This dude's going to put another 300K on here. So let's check it out. Seat 1 in good shape, passenger seat. Driver's seat, however, the back is broken out and the bottom cushion's busted and broken through. I mean, I'll show you here in a minute, it's bad. Bare bones. might have ripped the seat, Mike. A little bit. All right, put a layer of towel in here to protect the foam from splitting through those wires. All right, 93 Ford Ranger, 2 hours it took me. Supported the foam with rags underneath in between the mesh, swapped the driver's cushion and upholstery to the passenger seat because they were the same. Seat frames were not, so we switched them onto, kept the frames in the same place, switched the foam and the cloth. He is excited because he's gonna, this seat is almost like factory, and you can see how worn out this one is even though I patched up the foam. So another job done. All right, there you have it, 1993 Ford Ranger seat, hackery, patching up, welding up, swapping foam, just to show you guys that there's more one way to skin a cat, and you can save people money while making money. It can be done. I put them seats back together, it took me about 2 hours. 2 hours and 5 minutes. I was talking with the owner of the truck the whole time. He was a cool guy, shooting the breeze. Anyways, hope I help you out if you're trying to take apart a Ford Ranger seat, or if you're wondering what to do and you can't find a new one to put in a car, whatever your deal is. Thanks for visiting my channel. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I'll catch you back here again later.